What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly the best way to withdraw your PayPal funds if you live in Nigeria. Now this method I'm going to show you is going to help you make money and to do a business model called PayPal arbitrage. Now if you look over here, you see that I have over $2,500 that I've sent out of this PayPal account, and guys, this PayPal account is still functioning. I've been updating you guys everything happening on my journey on this business, so make sure to watch all the videos on my channel because I drop videos here that is going to help you make money online. My name is Kingsley from kingobina.com. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. And please like this video in order to help this video reach as many people that is supposed to see this video. Okay, so guys, that said, as you can see right here now, I have $100 in my balance and I have $166 on hold. Now everything is what I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so that for you to do this business model called PayPal arbitrage, you need to have a working PayPal business account. Now if you don't know how to create one, just tell me in the comment section. I know I've done a video about it before, but I can still do a new video teaching you guys exactly how to create a PayPal working business account anywhere you are in the world, and you are going to use your real details to create this account so that you can be able to defend it whenever any issues occur. So what usually happen is whenever you have a PayPal account that is created with fake details, whenever you are being asked to submit documents or so, you're gonna go and create the document, and most time PayPal normally detects that it's a fake stuff and they will usually block your account. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So just go to the comment now and tell me, Kingsley, I want a PayPal business account, and I'll create a video for you guys. Okay, so that said, the next account you need to have is you need to have this platform account called Grill. Okay, so let's go to grill.co and create an account. Okay, right now their USD bank account is having some maintenance, is into some maintenance mode stuff, so we can't be able to see it. But once you've created your account, just come to this account section right here, and after creating your account section, after clicking on the account section, you should be able to see your US bank account. Okay, so if your account is new, you are not going to be seeing any bank. What you're going to be seeing is request for your bank account. So just click on request and request for your bank account in US, USD, Great Britain pounds and euro, just like you see on the screen. These ones I've requested for it before, and that's why you can see them on this platform. Now you need to request for your own in order for you to have the account. Now another account you need to have is this account called Payoneer. Okay, so you need to have a Payoneer account. So it's very simple to set up, but if you don't know exactly how to set it up, tell me in the comment section as well. Tell me, Kingsley, I need a Payoneer account, and I'll consider making the video. So once you have all these accounts set up, now you need to link your US bank account to this platform called PayPal. Now what you need to do is to go to this paid and get paid section and click on banks and cards. Now once you click on that, you are going to be taken straight to this money page, and right here is where you can be able to link your US bank account to this platform. Now if you look at this section right here, you see that I've linked two banks. Now this one is from Grill and this other one is from Payoneer, so you can link whichever bank you want to link. Now a lot of people have been telling me that they are having issues linking their bank, but I want you to follow this procedure which I'm going to show you. Now if you come to this Grill section here, I told you Grill is having some little maintenance, so we are unable to see their US bank account. So I think whenever this is done, I'm going to update the video. I'm going to do another video showing you exactly how to link your Grill account to PayPal, but it's relatively very easy, just you filling in the details just with the details Grill have provided you. But now I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Payoneer, and I've done this video a lot of times showing you guys exactly how to link your Payoneer to PayPal. So to do that, just go to this get paid section right here and click on get paid. So once you click on it, go to this receiving account. So click on receiving account. They are going to show you the receiving account you have. As you can see, I have UK and USA, so just click on use USD dollars. You're going to see your details. Okay, so now once you're here on this PayPal section, your account is relatively new. So let's say you have not linked any bank, so just click on link a new bank. So once you click on link a new bank, you are going to enter the details here. So just come to Payoneer and grab the details you have here. Okay, so one of the details here is account number, so I'll just grab my account number and come here and wait for this thing to load. So once it loads, I'll just input my account number here, Ctrl V, Then the next thing we need to input is routing number. So just come here and check for routing number, and this is the routing number. So just copy it and come back here and input my routing number. So once I input that, it's going to show us that this is a Community Federal Savings Bank. Now before you go ahead inputting your details, you need to make sure that the bank account you're linking from your Payoneer account is Community Federal Savings Bank, just like you see here. Now if it's not Community Federal Savings Bank, the thing what you need to do is to click on this solution guide right below this place. So just click on this solution guide and click on this first one which says I'm unable to use my receiving account with PayPal, Stripe or other payment provider. So just click on it and click on this next for them to request or give you a Community Federal Savings Bank. So just click on this next button here and they will change the bank account you have to a Community Federal Savings one. So I have a Community Federal Savings Bank, so I don't need to change it. So once you've done that and you've imputed it right here, you need to click on this link your bank. Now many times you're going to receive an error message which is going to tell you some stories, so just leave it. You can also contact PayPal support and they can be able to help you, but if they are unable to help you, just leave it and try it again and try it again and try it again. Eventually it's going to link, trust me, because I actually linked mine, so for that reason it's going to link. So the same thing applies to Grail. So once you have your details just like you have here, just copy all the details, your account number and your routing number, and paste it right here and link it. So the same thing, you might receive an error message, so just contact PayPal support, and if they are unable to help you, just try to link it again next time and next time and next time. Eventually it's going to link. Now once you have your account linked, now the next thing you need to do is to source for PayPal funds. Now I'm going to show you the method I use in sourcing for PayPal funds in order for us to carry out this business model called arbitrage. Okay, now how do I source for PayPal funds? I source for PayPal funds using this platform called Facebook. Now you might be surprised, yes, this is what I do, and I want to share with you guys so that you can be able to do it as well. So right here on this platform Facebook, what I just do is you can do this thing with your phone. Okay, I'm just on my laptop right now, and that is why I'm making this I'm logging in Facebook with my laptop. Okay, so just go to your phone and come over to this section. So I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so right here you want to search for something like PayPal funds available. So once you search for something like that, anything related to PayPal buying and selling and co. So once you search for something like that, you're going to see a lot of groups and you're going to see a lot of people that want to sell their PayPal funds. As you can see right here, this one says yeah, PayPal funds available for sale. This other person says yeah, PayPal funds available for serious buyers please. And if you continue to scroll down, you see that a lot of people have PayPal funds for sale. This is $85 PayPal funds available. And if you keep scrolling, you're going to see that a lot of people here on Facebook are plan or are looking for way or who to sell their PayPal funds to. Now you must be very careful because a lot of times you might get scammed by these people, but make sure you are very careful, and if you are going to deal with anybody, they should send you your PayPal funds first before you send them payments. That's what I do. But right now I don't even come to the Facebook anymore. A lot of them are on my WhatsApp already now, so we have done a lot of transactions, and now they can easily send me money from WhatsApp to my PayPal and I credit them. You need to make sure you have your Naira ready for you to run this business. Now once you've gotten your PayPal funds, I've showed you where to get it from Facebook. You can also use platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram. You can also do paid ads to run ads to tell people you buy PayPal funds or Payoneer funds or the rest. So once you have your funds on your PayPal account, now you can be able to go ahead to run this business. Now let me show you something. Now if you come to this platform called Grail, and if you go to this home section, let's scroll down now for me to show you something real good. So if you look at this section right here, this US dollars, you're going to see that they sell $1 here for 597 naira. As of the time I'm making this video, dollar is for 597 naira, and that is huge because we'll be buying PayPal funds from here at 400, 480, 490, 500. Okay, the highest I've bought is 520, but you can buy for 480, 450, 460, 470, 490, 500, and you come to this platform called Grail and sell it. So like I told you, currently this Grail platform is having some maintenance on their US dollar account, so you just need to leave it for now. Okay, so but as of the time you'll be watching this video, it's obvious, or it's probably they might have finished their upgrade, then you can continue with what I'm showing you. So once you done that, if you can also go to your Payoneer, once you have the money transferred from your PayPal to your Payoneer, you want to link your Grail account to your Payoneer. Okay, so if you don't know how to link your Grail bank to your Payoneer bank, guys, tell me in the comment section. Okay, I want this video, I want this to be very interactive. Tell me in the comment section and I'll consider making the video show you exactly how to link your Grail account to your Payoneer account so that you can withdraw money from Grail to Payoneer or from Payoneer to Grail. Okay, so you can just, all you need to know is to find a way to fund your Grail account, either through sending it via PayPal, sending money from PayPal to your Grail, or sending money from your Payoneer to your Grail. Now once you have money here on your Grail platform, then you can go ahead to swap the money to naira at 597 naira. Now if you want to send money from your PayPal, or you just, it's as simple as, after you've linked your account or your bank, so just click on transfer money and go through the process. Okay, so PayPal is going to ask you, where do you want to transfer the money to? You should select